Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss all the important questions from economics that you can definitely expect for upcoming exam like SSC as well as railway exam. Okay, so let's begin this session. So the first question is, which bank is the first to introduce ATM in India? And it is HSBC Bank. Which sector is the largest source of employment in India? And it is agriculture sector. In which year India adopted the liberal and free market principle? And it is 1991. Which country shares the highest percentage of Indian imports? And it is China. Which sector is the second largest source of employment in India? And it is textile sector. The first economic census of India was done in the year 1977. Who presented the first union budget of independent India? And it was R.K. Shanmugam Shetty. Who was the chairman of National Income Committee in the year 1949? And it was P.C. Mahalanobis. Who is also called the father of economics? And it is Adam Smith. The headquarters of SEBI is located in Mumbai. The largest source of revenue for Indian government is excise duties. Value added tax, also called VAT, was introduced for the first time in the year 2005. The union budget is presented on the parliament on the first working day of February. Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in the year 1949. The largest banking and financial services company in India by asset is SBI. The total number of codes in the IFCS system is 11. Which income is exempted from the Indian Income Tax Act? And it is agriculture income. Which Indian state pays the highest tax revenues? And it is Maharashtra. Which Prime Minister took the first step for nationalization of bank? And it was Indira Gandhi. The first Finance Commission of India was formed in the year 1951. The first Chairman of Finance Commission of India is K.C. Nioji. Which Prime Minister is also called the father of Indian economic reforms? And it is P.V. Narasimha Rao. The first Finance Minister of India is R.K. Shanmugam Shetty. The Planning Commission of India reports directly to the Prime Minister of India. To which country India exports highest percentage of its products? And it is USA. In India, who determines the repo rate? And it is RBI. Who is the Chairman of Planning Commission of India? And it is Prime Minister. Who established the Delhi School of Economics? And it was V.K.R.B. Rao. Who has the sole right to issue bank notes of all denominations? And it is RBI. The total number of approved stock exchanges in India is 23. Where is the headquarters of NABARD located? And it is located in Mumbai. Which bank was established on the recommendation of Sivaraman Committee? And it was NABARD. During which planning commission period NABARD was established? And it was established during 6th 5-year plan. How many zonal offices does RBI has? And it is 4 zones. How many languages are printed in the Indian currency note? And it is 17 languages. The fiscal policy in India is formulated by the Finance Ministry. Arundhati Bhattacharya is the first woman chairperson of SBI. State Bank of India before nationalism was also called Imperial Bank of India. SBI was founded in the year 1956. The first person to adopt a scientific method in estimating the national income of India is V.K.R.B. Rao. The first finance minister to have risen to be the president of India is R. Venkata Raman. Who presented the maximum number of budget in India? And it is Morarji Desai. Which finance minister has introduced the service tax in India? And it was Manmohan Singh. During which year the service tax was introduced? And it was during the year 1994-1995. In which sector Indian government allows 100% foreign direct investment? And it is the telecom sector. India has changed over to the decimal system of coinage in India during the year 1957. The oldest public sector bank of India is Allahabad Bank. The government of India earns maximum revenue from the corporate tax. How many banks were nationalized in the year 1969? And it was 14 banks. Which Prime Minister launched the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? And it is Narendra Modi. NABARD was founded in the year 1982. The paper currency was first started in the year 1861. Which type of unemployment is mostly found in India? And it is disguised unemployment. Amartya Sen was awarded a Nobel Prize in the year 1998. SIDBI stands for Small Industry Development Bank of India. 1 rupee note bears the signature of Finance Secretary. The Economic Survey of India is published by the Ministry of Finance. What is the mainstay, also called the backbone of Indian economy? And it is the agriculture sector. Deficit financing means the government borrow money from the Reserve Bank of India. Which product don't come under the proposed GST of India? And it is the petroleum products. Which 5-year plan focused on growth with social justice and equality? And it is the 9th 5-year plan. The first planning commission in India was formed in the year 1950. The concept of 5-year plan was borrowed from Russia. The National Development Council was established in the year 1952. The focus of the second 5-year plan was industrialization. The largest trading partner of India is China. The full form of PAN is Permanent Account Number. Who controls the share market of India? And it is controlled by SEBI. Who is also known as the pioneer of economic nationalism, and it is R.C. Datta. Government of India has adopted the Special Economic Zone Act in the year 2005. Service tax was introduced in India on the recommendation of Raja J. Chelia Committee. Black revolution is also related to crude oil production. The expenditure tax in India was introduced by T.T. Krishnamachari. The rate at which RBI lends money to commercial bank in the event of any shortfall of funds is called the repo rate. Who appoints the Finance Commission in India? And it is appointed by President of India. During the economic crisis of 1991, how many times the rupee was devalued? And it was 2 times. The best indicator of economic development of any country is its per capita income. GST Council is chaired by the Union Finance Ministry. During which period the plan holiday was executed? And it was during 1965 to 1970. Service tax is not imposed in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. During which 5-year plan the Green Revolution was introduced? And it was during the 4th 5-year plan. Who was the deputy chairman of the first 5-year plan? And it was B.T. Krishnamachari. Who gives the final approval of the 5-year plan? And it is National Development Council. Short-term financing is usually for a period up to 1 year. When did the first devaluation of Indian rupee take place? And it was during 1966. In India, the base year for calculating GDP has been changed to 2011-2012. Who fixes the poverty line of India? And it is fixed by Planning Commission. In India, the inflation is measured by Consumer Price Index. Industrial Finance Corporation of India, also called IFC, was established in the year 1948. Approximately what percentage of Indian population is still agriculturist? And it is 58%. ICICI was established in the year 1991. The first regional rural bank came into existence in the year 1975. The data of estimation of India's national income is issued by Central Statistical Office, also called CSSO. National Sample Survey Organization, also called ANSSO, was established in the year 1950. The new rupee symbol was selected by Union Cabinet in the year 2010. The Banking Regulation Act was passed in the year 1949. The Planning Commission of India was constituted in the year 1950. Who formulates the fiscal policy in India? And it is the Ministry of Finance. LIC was established in the year 1956. The Indian paper currency was started in the year 1861. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.